Welcome back to Project Nippon X. Today we are going inside a Japanese smartphone factory to explore how Japan builds the future of mobile technology and how it compares with the powerful USA smartphone market. Japan has always been known for precision engineering, advanced electronics, and futuristic design, and its smartphones represent a combination of innovation, reliability, and premium craftsmanship. Starting with the exterior design, Japanese smartphones focus on a clean and elegant appearance with high-quality materials, slim profiles, and attention to every small detail. Many Japanese devices feature premium glass panels, strong aluminum frames, water resistance, and unique designs that balance beauty with durability. Compared with USA smartphones, which often focus on a luxury lifestyle image, Japanese phones usually emphasize practical innovation and engineering excellence. Inside the smartphone, Japanese technology delivers impressive features including advanced camera sensors, AI-powered software, high-resolution displays, and smart security systems. Companies from Japan have played a major role in developing camera technology, display components, and electronic parts used around the world. The interior design of these devices shows Japan's focus on efficiency, compact engineering, and long-term performance. When it comes to performance, modern Japanese smartphones compete with global flagship devices by offering powerful processors, fast 5G connectivity, smooth gaming performance, and intelligent battery management. USA brands often dominate worldwide sales with powerful ecosystems, but Japanese manufacturers continue to create devices with unique features, especially in photography, audio quality, and hardware reliability. In terms of pricing, Japanese smartphones cover different categories. Premium models can cost between $800 and $2,500 depending on specifications, while more affordable options provide excellent performance at lower prices. USA flagship phones usually remain in the same premium range, especially with advanced models offering cutting-edge technology. Japan's smartphone industry may not always receive the same global attention as American brands, but behind the scenes, Japanese innovation continues to influence the future of mobile technology. From factory precision to futuristic features, Project Nippon X reveals how Japan is creating smartphones designed for the next generation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing technology discoveries.